How long can that miserable horse of mine complain about his leg? Dear God, I can walk on 2 legs. Why can't he on 3? I know, I'm very upset about my horse. He is one of your creatures, and he has the same rights I have. The right to be sick, the right to be hungry, the right to work like a horse. And dear God, I am sick and tired of pulling this cart. I know. I should push it a while. What is it? What is it?
It's the Chava. She left home this morning with Pietska. I looked all over her. I even went to the priest. He told me they were married.
Go home, Golde. We have other children at home. Go home, Golde. You have work to do. I have work to do.
But
Lara is back to us! We will forget it. Go home, Golde. Little bird, little Fiddler, I don't understand what's happening today. Everything is all a blur. All I can see is a happy child, the sweet little bird you are, Fiddler. Little bird, little Fiddler, you were always such a pretty little thing, everybody's favorite child. Gentle and kind and affectionate, what a sweet little bird you were, Fiddler.
Papa, I want to talk to you. Papa, stop. Please, listen to me. I beg you to accept us.
Accept him? How can I accept him? Can I deny everything I believe in? On the other hand, how can I deny my own child? On the other hand, how can I turn my back on my faith, my people? If I try to bend that far, I will break. On the other hand, no. There is no other hand, Chava.
Papa.
No, Chava.
Papa, please.
No!
Papa.
No, Chava.